Look at my baby. She pregnant. Hey, Snow, watch out. When the fuck did this become a whorehouse? The fuck?
Big old big baby yourself, girl. Big old boy. Boy, what you got? Give me it. Don't put stuff in your mouth. That's my lifestyle. There's my big baby. Babies having babies.
And she really sleep like this. This is crazy. This is crazy, y'all. Yeah, I'm talking about you. I'm talking about you, shorty. I'm talking about you. Such a big baby. Such good dogs, though. Well trained. Well trained.
Yeah, the rest of them. Oh.
Everything on the blood work came out good. The glucose was slightly elevated and the ALT was slightly elevated. But everything else was good on there. We are going to send home 2 antibiotics.
Ooh, them babies is gonna be on the way. It's so crazy. I literally just noticed that she was pregnant maybe about 3 weeks ago, and she has gotten so big since then. Say hey, Pappy. Yeah, so stinking cute. And look at you, big mama. Yeah, tell him get away from you. Aw, the little bugs.
You not staying in there, girl?
So tonight we're vibing in the living room because Miss Callie, I'm thinking that she might go in labor tonight. So I put Snow up and I'm just giving her space and allowing her to be comfortable. As you can see, she's starting a little bit of her nesting. She's trying to pull back some of the layers and stuff like that and make it her own. So I'll update you guys in a little bit. Hey, Snow. Okay, so Callie is in labor this morning. Hey, baby. I'm gonna give her some nice water. Yeah, she hasn't really been eating for the past couple days. I've been hand feeding her. Yeah, but I think today or maybe tomorrow might be the day. She's having contractions. Hey, girl. You got this, baby girl. Look at Snow. He trying to be nosy and checking little mama out. But we gotta keep them separated right now. Let's see what she's gonna do. She has not been drinking her water today, and she has not been eating her food for the last 2 days, so I've been hand feeding her. But yep. She's locked up. I won't let her out. No. Oh, poor baby. Callie is over there nesting right now. I'm gonna go ahead and give her some privacy because, yeah, I'm being a creep right now. I just put her water inside her whelping box with her so she can drink it because she was not stepping outside to drink her water. Yeah. That's my good girl. She actually just got up to eat, so I'm so happy. That's your good girl. He said, so yummy, mommy. Say, I love when you cook for me, girl. She's been stressed out all day, but she's been doing a good job, you guys.
You know, if my mama cooked it, it's good.
Mm-hmm. Say that. Okay, I think she's done eating now, so I'm going to move her plate. So, probably to the outside so she can have more room to do what she's doing in here. I thought she was finished eating, so I moved her plate to the outside so she could have some more room, but I think she said it was so yummy, so she actually stepped out and got a little bit more. But you see her waistline is dropping? Yeah. She is ready. She just has to be comfortable and know it's okay to push. You gotta push, girl. You gotta push, my baby. You gotta push it.
Do try. But you get on me for every little thing. Zora, Ma, you've been like that my whole life. Enough is enough. We cannot keep fighting like this. Why you gotta be so damn difficult all the time?
She had her first puppy. It's down there. She's hiding him or her. I'm about to see the gender in a little bit. Good job, Mama. You're doing such a good job. She's doing such a good job. Look at my baby. Eyes to Grandma. Hey, Grandma. Yeah, you're doing such a good job, Mama. Oh, you did such a good job, Mama. Oh my gosh. Yeah, look at my baby. That's one, and then if you can see right there, there's another one coming out of her.
Looks dark, right?
It's a bag. It always comes out of a bag, and then she eats everything off. Yeah. She did really good, though. Yeah. So my brother came over to help me make sure that she was delivering her baby safely. He helped get the second one out and help him clean off the umbilical cord and eat the placenta. And she is doing amazing right now. Good job, girl. So we are on pup 2 right now. Alright, so the third puppy is coming out now. And good job, Mama. Alright, Callie is on pup number 5 now. So far, she has 3 white-looking pups and 2 darker pups, but I'm still not sure of all the genders yet. I think Callie is done with delivering her pups. It is a total of 8 puppies, 5 white ones and 2 darker ones. She did such an amazing job, y'all. What? Are you a new pappy? Oh my goodness. Do you got some new babies? Oh, yes, you do. Who's the pappy? Who's the fucking pappy? Oh my gosh. Do you see all your puppies? Are you excited? Oh my gosh. He's the pappy. Look at my boy. My girl over there in the corner. Hey, good morning, girl. Hey, Callie, good morning. She got her little puppies over there. Let's go say hey. I just woke up. I had to take me a little nap because I was down here until about 5 o'clock this morning. Yeah. Look at those beautiful puppies. Oh my gosh, you did such an amazing job, girlfriend. Yes, you did. Good girl. He's curious, but he's not aggressive or anything like that. He loves her. They have a really good relationship. You miss your mamas? You miss your baby mamas? That's my baby mama. You ain't know? Yeah, we definitely know now. Look at all them white pups. Oh my gosh. There's one that looks exactly like Callie. I think it's that one right there, the little chunky one. And one looks exactly like, and there is one that looks exactly like Snow. I think it's that one right there. Has 2 patches on his eyes. They're so stinking cute, and she did such a good job, my baby. Yeah. Good girl. You see your baby mama, she did good. Say, that's my wifey. That's my wifey now. My wifey. We got children together. Ain't no baby mama in here. All right, Callie won't get out of her whelping box. So we went and I put her bowl in there. You can see she is extremely thirsty, but she will not leave her puppies alone. She won't use the bathroom or anything else like that. So I'm going to make sure that she gets her nutrients inside of her whelping box today and give her some more yummy food so she can eat real quick. But they're doing so well. They're doing so well. Yes, we are. He's over there curious, like, let me see my damn babies. Not yet, Snow, not yet. He'll be able to interact with them later on today because my mom present them a nice little playpen that has a zipper on it, so she'll be able to have her privacy, but he can actually sniff them without hurting them because he's just a big kid, that's all, and I don't want him trampling all over these little delicate pups. I went ahead and I refreshed her food and I added a little bit more rice and chicken and carrots to it, and she is eating up her food now. But again, she will not come out her whelping box. It's probably because she is drained and tired right now, and she has to get her energy back from delivering all her puppies and doing such a great job. Callie ate all her food. Good job, love. And I went ahead and I hung up the pups the heating lamp so they can stay warm. I like my AC to be on the colder side in the house. So yesterday we kind of turned it up so it could be comfortable room temperature for her. But yeah, it's back down to about 68 right now. So we got to make sure these pups stay warm. All right, so I just had a recount because apparently my baby had an extra puppy when I went to sleep. So there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 white ones, 1, 2, 3 darker ones. Callie has a total of 9 puppies. Good job, my love. Good job, my love. Good job, my love. So cute. So Callie sleeps on her back, and look ahead. Look at the little one sleeping on his back, but not this one over here thinking that this is some food, because that's not food. Do not suck on the hernia. Leave it alone, the little belly button. Yeah, but that is so stinking cute.